everybody, welcome back to Popping Your Lips Mukbang with your girl Georgia.Cheikz. Oh my goodness, so today I'm so excited. I have been crowned by the queen herself, Queen Bloveslife. This is the exclusive cameo. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. She gave me all amazing feedback, and what I really loved about what she did, she subscribed to my channel even before she sent me my cameo. Mwah. Thank you, and cheers to Bloveslife.
Hey Latoya, also known as Georgia Cheikz. Anyways, girl, I got a chance to go over to your channel and check it out, and I'm gonna tell you, I like what I see. I love that you are very, very comfortable with the camera. I don't know, girl. I'm like, when I first started, I remember when I first started doing YouTube, I wasn't that comfortable. It was like I was more, reserved and everything. But you like came in like, okay, girl, I got this. And I see that if you're comfortable now, you're going to be really, 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 really good in in another 10, 20 videos, because you're doing really, really well as far as your comfortability, one-on-one with the camera and everything. That is very, very good. I peeped that right away. I'm like, okay, this is her first video. Are you serious? So you got that, girl. At any rate, I looked over your channel and I wrote down some tips I would like to give you, to make your channel just excel, so you could be able to get monetized quicker and different things like that. And again, let me just say this: shout out to your hubby, Chef Jackson. Chef Jackson, shout out to him for cooking that beautiful, amazing seafood boil for you. That was nice of him, and for him to be able to operate the camera. It's nothing like having a support group with you right off bat. I know your children support you. You told me you got 8 of them. Girl, you look good. Do you hear me? Good. You look good to have 8 kids. You said 6 boys. 6? Did you say 6 girls and 2 boys? Did I get that right? And then you got 3 grandbabies. But anyways, girl, I was like, okay, I see you. Let me look that good when I become a grandmama, okay? Anyways, let me just tell you what I enjoyed. I enjoyed the part when you licking your fingers. You gave us enough time to be able to enjoy the food. So many times I look at mukbang channels and they are talking, which is nothing wrong with that, because I know I used to do that as well until my supporters told me, B, less talking, more eating. They didn't say it exactly like that, but it was in those terms. You know what I'm saying? It was something like that. But that's when I knew that people like to capture the part of the experience of the eating. You know what I'm saying? Especially with people that love to watch mukbangs and have that little fetish about mukbangs. But girl, I love it when you licking your fingers. We enjoying that moment with you when you're chewing the food, you're closing your eyes. We know that you're enjoying your food, and it's not, you ain't joking, you ain't faking. You like, man, this food is really amazing. Also, let me see what I wrote. Okay, and I like the fact that you stand upon the trends. You know all the trends. I seen you had I like the fact that you have your little YouTube journal about what you were going to do, this as far as the trends that were going on. The don't wipe your mouth challenge and different things like that. So you informed us of that, and then you informed us of the people that you like to watch. I appreciate the support, girlfriend. I know you was like Steph Tosh, that's my girl. Everybody you name, Tay and Lou, everybody you name, those are my peeps. Okay, so you watching the right people. Also, when you upload, and I know that you're a fairly new channel, try to upload 4 times or more a week. That is a very good thing to do if you want to get in the rhythm of the algorithm of YouTube, so that you'll be able to get monetized faster. And also try to make your videos 16 minutes or longer, which you've been doing good on that part. Your videos have been a nice length, so which is good. What else can I tell you? Oh, I like the fact that you was talking about couponing. Oh, girl, I remember back in the day, I used to love watching extreme couponing, and a lot of people on YouTube were doing it, and it was just so fascinating to see. So if you do get into couponing, maybe sometimes you can record some of that footage, because people still like to, watch things like that these days. You're looking good on camera, girl. I loved your dress in your video when you was like, "Is my dress cute?" Yes, it was cute. I loved it. I like the way your hair was looking and everything. Let's see. Oh, also, I think this is the last thing I need to tell you is when you're uploading to YouTube, when you're uploading to YouTube, make sure you have a 59-second clip to upload to IG, because we want to bring your IG Instagram people over to your YouTube, and that's how you promote your channel. When you're on IG, only the clips that you need to put on there are your eating moments. Don't put none of your talking moments, or you're trying to be funny and quirky and all that stuff. Just try to capture those moments when you're eating, because that's what they want to see on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? So we don't want to hear no interruptions of you talking, just more eating. You know what I'm saying? So they can capture those moments. But other than that, girl, you're doing amazing. Keep going, keep pushing, keep moving in the right direction. Keep up on those trends, girl, and keep them videos coming. Okay? Anyways, you guys, have a great day, you and your husband and your whole entire family. If your children or grandchildren are over there, your children, tell them all. Let them all know that I said hello. At any rate, girl, peace out. You know what? Also, email me at bloves2cook@gmail.com and put in cameo shout out, just to let me know that, so I can tell you what video I'm going to shout your video out on. Your channel out on. Girl, I'm getting all tongue twisted, tied. Girl, if you knew how many of these things I done today, you'd be like, oh, okay. But at any rate, thanks again for reaching out to me, Latoya. I appreciate it so much. Keep pushing and keep moving. Peace out. Peace, love, and hair grease. I love you.
Thank you so much for your support, and I appreciate it. She gave me so much positive feedback. Oh my gosh. Like, the queen of mukbang loves my channel. Like, that is so much, that means so much to me. Like, y'all just don't even understand how much that means to me. So make sure you watch the video, and I'm going to start in. You'll probably see my cameo before you see this video. That's probably how I'm gonna do it. So it will be following right after, so don't go nowhere. Cheers to beloved. Thank you so much for an amazing cameo. And let's get in, because I'm hungry. Hungry. We have lobster. We have crab. We have snow crab and corn, of course. And I have a couple of eggs over here. Just a couple. So I might as well get right on in, because I'm hungry. Ooh. Let's get this lobster. I've been craving this lobster. Uh-oh, you don't want to come out, boo-boo? There we go. Let's get this lobster. Look at that. Look how juicy it is. Yes. Let's see how juicy it tastes. right here. I'm reaching way too far. Cool. Hey, hey, hey. Bloopers. The video camera was not recording for whatever reason. But I'm back. Back. Oh, I'm good. Good. Hey. I'm back. I guess I was having some technical difficulties. But that's okay because we still got food that needs to be eaten. Uh-oh, I'm not pulling out no crab tonight. Excuse me. So I hope everybody's eating with me. I'm gonna have to eat another corn. I don't know if that's videotaped or not. Go give me my scissors real quick. This is my cameo. How would you do that? Thank you. Only my child would do that in my video. What should I eat next? Make my life a whole lot easier. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Pop it right on open. Them scissors pop it right on open. Boom. Y'all see that? Let's get one of these corns. This corn, y'all. That delicious, juicy corn. Look at that juicy corn. That juicy corn. Corn juicy. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Ooh, look at this piece of juicy meat on this crab right here. Yes. Look at this juiciness. Look at that juiciness. Let me hit that with some of this lemon. hot, hot, hot. Mmm. Ooh, get that juice coming out that claw. Ooh, y'all see that juice dripping? Drip, drip. That juice is dripping. Ooh. We gonna dance out the F word. We are not gonna say it. They can't see me. We are not going to say it. I'm not gonna say the F word. Anybody know what the F word is? You heard that claw break up? We got some claw meat. My spoon. We got some claw meat, y'all. Shout out to all my fellow mukbangers. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited about my cameo. This is a cameo celebration. Yes. Bloveslife. Toast to you. Here you go. I got some treats coming in the mail on Saturday. You can't see me. My lemon. I gotta squirt the lemon. Oops, sorry, I almost took your eye out. We have my daughter helping me. I almost took her eye out with the lemon. I like the claw. I'd be like a little scooper. Scoop the sauce up. Scoop it on that. Scoop it on down. See it dripping out? It's the meat right there. I gotcha. Gotcha. Ooh, I'm starting to get, not gonna say the F word. Not gonna say the F word. You just figured out what the F word was, huh? If you didn't watch my video, then you would know what the F word is. If you've been watching my video, you know what the F word is. But if you have not been watching my videos, then you do not know what the F word is, and you need to catch up. Mother's Day is coming up. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what my babies are going to get me. I have enough of them. Here, wait. I'm going to have to crack this puppy open like, oh. Y'all seen that white meat come out of there? Y'all see that white meat come out of there? Lemon. There's some more meat in here. Ooh. Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna become a pescatarian. A person who eat nothing but seafood. Mm-hmm. So I can do this every day. All day. Every day. This is my favorite. I love corn. Corn is like the best. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Does that say pause?
It's
Why?
not paused.
It's not? It's recording because it's red, right? Ooh, I've been having some technical difficulties today, you guys. This is not as easy as it looks, I promise you. Mm. Mm-hmm. Your nose is on camera. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, I hope everybody enjoys my cameo like I enjoyed my cameo. Again, I need you guys to subscribe, like, comment below, and share with all your friends and family to come and join a feast by your girl, Georgia.Cheikz. Because I am full, full, full. I don't think I can eat anymore. I said the F word. I said the F word, you guys. I am full. So I will be back tomorrow with another exciting mukbang. Until then, see you guys later and enjoy the cameo. I hope you guys do like I did. Beloved is amazing. And she is the queen of mukbang. And I have an exclusive for you guys Saturday. So tune in on Saturday. Something is coming in the mail and it's going to be fun. So see you guys later. Bye.